Sort a list by multiple attributes. I have a list of lists. If I wanted to sort by one element, say the tall/short element, I could do it by s equals sorted s, key equals item getter 1. If I wanted to sort by both tall/short and color, I could do the sort twice, once for each element, but is there a quicker way?
A key can be a function that returns a tuple. Or you can achieve the same using item getter, which is faster and avoids a Python function call. And notice that here you can use sort instead of using sorted and then reassigning.
I'm not sure if this is the most Pythonic method. I had a list of tuples that needed sorting first by descending integer values and second alphabetically. This required reversing the integer sort but not the alphabetical sort. Here was my solution. On the fly in an exam BTW, I was not even aware you could nest sorted functions.
Several years late to the party, but I want to both sort on two criteria and use reverse equals true. In case someone else wants to know how, you can wrap your criteria, functions, in parentheses. It appears you could use a list instead of a tuple. This becomes more important, I think, when you are grabbing attributes instead of magic indexes of a list/tuple. In my case, I wanted to sort by multiple attributes of a class, where the incoming keys were strings. I needed different sorting in different places, and I wanted a common default sort for the parent class that clients were interacting with, only having to override the sorting keys when I really needed to, but also in a way that I could store them as lists that the class could share. So first I defined a helper method. Then to use it, this will use the generated lambda function sort the list by object.attr and then object.attrb, assuming object has a getter corresponding to the string names provided. And the second case would sort by object.attrb then object.attrb. This also allows you to potentially expose outward sorting choices to be shared alike by a consumer, a unit test, or for them to perhaps tell you how they want sorting done for some operation in your API by only have to give you a list and not coupling them to your back-end implementation.
你可以完全支持我，可以的话请到subscribe。